Hi, today we are going to see what is the difference between service discovery and service registry. So we have a client and we have three microservices. So take for example product service, fraud service and a payment service. So what I'm going to do is, so within take for example in the payment service I have three instances which are created like 1, 2 and 3. So all these instances has to be registered within the registry. So all the individual services are getting registered with the registry service. So this is the first thing that we need to do whenever we were declared with a service discovery. And take for example, if any of the product instance 1, 2, 3 is about to, if we have, take for example in this case 3 has been registered, 3 instance has been newly created within the microservice payment service, in the sense that has to be registered within the registry service. So apart from that we have one more function as well, so that we will be calling it as lookup function. So what will this lookup will be doing is, the client will send a lookup. So lookup in the sense it will look into the registry for a response. If the particular instance has been present, so it will be sending a response. So this is how it will be actually responding. And take for example, whenever in the registry if it has the value, so the customer service will be returning a get customer instance as well. So this is how it will be actually responding triangular manner. And then let's take one more thing. Take for example, whenever any of these instance goes down, so that will be actually deregistered from the registry. So that will also be taking place over here. Okay, let's see how the gateway and all those things will be running. So over here we will be having a client. So in the usual way it will be looking up for within the gateway, and within the registry it will be looking up. If the instance is present, it will be returning back into the gateway. And take for example, sometimes we have API gateway which will be present inside the function. So what API gateway will be doing is, it will be acting as an intermediary between the registry and the client, so such that so it, like whenever a particular function is about to get called, so that will be called in an indirect way. So take for example to gateway lookup into the registry, and what will happen is it will getting the response. After that we will be having one more function that will be called to the gateway, and it will directly look up into the registry and it will be getting a response. And we have get customer, so that customer details will also be responded into the consumer microservice, and we have register as well that we can be able to register. So this is the major difference. Service discovery in the sense, so that can be able to discover our particular service, and service registry in the sense, so within the registry we can be able to check the product is available or not.